I'm learning to fly FPV drones, and it's not as easy as it looks.
Oh
Now, unlike camera drones like the ones DJI makes, this is an FPV drone which gives you full manual control of its flying, and it has a steep learning curve. If you've been following this series, we have already built and configured our 5-inch FPV drone, and now it's time to put this thing up in the air. So buckle up your battery straps and put on your FPV goggles because things are about to get bumpy. But before that, a quick lesson on FPV flying. Let's start with the basics. Your remote has two sticks, a few switches and trims. On the left stick we have throttle and yaw. Throttle controls the height, yaw rotates your drone left or right, changing its heading. On the right stick you have pitch and roll. This one is spring loaded to stay centered. You'll have two switches. One is to arm and disarm the motors, and the other is for flight control modes like angle, horizon, or acro. You can power the remote using a 2S LiPo battery. Alright, now let's test the drone. Attach your battery and propellers. Place your drone on a flat surface and lower your throttle completely down. Flip the arm switch and your motors should spin up. Now gently raise the throttle until the drone starts to lift. Keep your finger near the disarm switch in case if anything goes wrong. Once it hovers, try small yaw, pitch and roll inputs just to get a feel of how it responds. Now with the basics clear, it's time to fly it out. Take it in an open area like a field, away from people's trees and buildings. Start in angle mode as it is beginner friendly and the drone levels itself when you leave the stick. Arm the motors, raise throttle slowly and keep it low. Use gentle stick movements to keep the drone in place. Now try landing. Lower the throttle gradually and touch down. Congrats, you just completed your first successful flight. Now do it again. This time try landing on a different spot. Remember that repetition builds muscle memory and confidence. Practice doing circles using yaw to rotate while moving. Try not to crash your drone, and if it crashes anyway, don't let it stop you. Once you are comfortable, it's time to put on the goggles. This is the view you will get inside the goggles. Now first it may be scary and you will need some time to adjust to the view. Make sure you start moving forward as soon as you are in the air. Keep an eye on the on-screen data such as altitude, thrust input and signal levels. The footage starts to get noisy as you move far away, which means you have to turn back and get closer. Mind your surroundings as you would not want to crash your drone into other people. Now landing it is a bit harder in FPV as you have to avoid getting it near yourself. Bring the drone closer and remove the goggles while performing the landing. Well, crashing is also an important part of learning to fly FPV.
Oh
You can finally mount an action camera on the drone to record high quality footages of flying. On a 3S LiPo battery, the drone flies for 10 to 12 minutes, and on a 4S battery, it flies for more than 15 minutes with even punchier moves. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and make sure you're subscribed because I'm not done here. I will be improving this build with more upgrades such as adding a GPS, a better camera and replace those goggles which are dying for an upgrade. So stay tuned for more FPV adventures. Until then, thanks for watching.